Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is McKinley. Good to see everybody today. Today we're going to show you how to pick out a Clickbank product, and we're going to show you how to set up a funnel and how to promote it. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. And just to let you know, I got a free bonus for you at the end. It's a Facebook hack so that you can promote your product on Facebook for free. And I also have a video that I did I think last week on how to build a landing page for Facebook so that you can advertise your link on Facebook and Facebook won't delete it. So make sure you check that video out as well. But let's get started. First, you got to find a product. We're going to pick the make money online niche. Now, the three most popular products are make money online, health and wellness, and this is just personal development, spirituality, new age, stuff like that. Those are the three most popular products. Those are evergreen. People are always going to be looking for those. So when you get into Clickbank, it's easy to make a free account. Although I have heard about certain countries not being able to make a Clickbank account. If that's the case, my friends, just make an account on JVZoo or Warrior Plus. You don't have to try and create fake accounts. You might run into some legal problems and problems getting paid. I'm not sure, but that's just something to keep in mind. Now, when you click on here, it's going to be sorted out by popularity. That just means how many sales is a product getting. There's another way to sort out sales is the gravity, which is how many people are selling it, how many people who have made a sale. They also have average sale, initial sale, average percent sale, average rebill, and average percent rebill. Now the rebill is a reoccurring commission. As long as they keep the product, you will get $30, $50, $100 every month. And the initial sell is it's like the starter package. A lot of these have a try it for 2 weeks for a small introductory price, and then a monthly reoccurring commission, something like that. And as you can see, the average sale is on this one 50% rebill. This means that people that are staying are paying you're getting paid about $91 a month. Okay, about half the people that buy the product like it, they're keeping it. Okay, so I'm going to pick one that I am the most familiar with. I'm going to pick 12-minute affiliate. Okay, now you're going to click over here and you're going to put in your account name, and you're going to generate your affiliate link. Okay, and this is very important. So the next thing we got to do is we've got to make a funnel. Okay, this is a sales funnel. Now, I use something called TD Pages. Okay, they have pre-made funnels for you. Okay, it's part of the Traffic Domination Network. I will also leave some information in the description. All right, let's make sure I can get this to work. All right, this is the wrong account. So let's log out. And let's go to bookmarks, TD pages. Yeah, there's a train in the background. So the nice thing about TD pages is they have pre-made templates. All right. And it makes it real easy to build a funnel. And as you can see, they have a bunch of templates made inside of here. Okay. So you can just pick you can pick any one you want. They have now a lot of these are built for traffic domination products, but you can edit the funnels. You can make it say whatever you want. That's really up to you. But I'm just going to go with one that I already have. It's a real simple one. Okay. I'm just going to choose this template, and it's going to open it up. Now, there's basically two things you got to do once you're inside the funnel on TD pages, and I will show you those in a minute. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on this box right here. Okay, this is their click box. Then you're going to click on settings. All right, and then you're going to tell it what to do after. What you want to do is you want to hook it up to your autoresponder. This happens to be mine. This is my list. And this is the thank you page is what do you want it to do after they submit their email address, okay? So you're going to want to direct them to a thank you page, and that's where we're going to use the that's where we're going to use our affiliate link. So you just go up here. You can just press copy, or you can physically copy it. It's all good to go. Then you come back, and boom. And I always like to set it up so that they get the name of the person as well. Let's see, where's that at? Additional link, no. Checkbox required. Enter your email address, yes. Open. If you play with this, they do have some cool little animations. Not really into that. Are you subscribing to multiple lists? Checkbox, no. Fields, name and email. That way, when you get people on your list, that it feels a little bit more personable using their name. And then all we're going to do is click save and close. Okay. Now, to advertise our link, we're going to copy this, okay? Now, you can go to bit.ly.com. I'll show you this real quick. You create a link. This is just a link shortener, okay? And this is actually a new account. I got tired of it. I couldn't remember my password so that I could change it because I'm using a different browser than Google Chrome. So you just create a link. Now you're going to paste this whole thing into here. Okay, TD Pages. It's going to create a link. Usually give it a title. This one will be 12-minute affiliate test. All right. So now you are good to go. Okay. You copy, and this is your link. And what's going to happen is when people click onto your link, it's going to take them to this opt-in page right here. When people put in their information, they're going to get added to the list, and it's going to take them to this sales page. Okay. Now, it does take maybe 8 to 12 emails. If somebody doesn't buy right away, it might take 8 to 12 emails to kind of get them to buy this particular offer. Since they're on your list, that anybody who is on your list is a potential customer. So you can rotate offers in and out so that you can find something that they would like to purchase, because ultimately we're all in it to help people and help people make money. So now, if you want the number one, if you want my number one recommendation for making money online, it is going to be, let me show you. It is called traffic domination. Oh, that's the history, bookmarks. And what you're going to do is, I'll leave a link in there, but they have free training, okay? And this is step 3 of the free training. Step 2 or 3, I forget. But this is their list building training. What they do is they show you how to create an autoresponder, create how to link it to their software. And once you've gone through all of this training, the really nice thing is they will actually give you an $80 value for free. They will give you 100 free clicks sent to your offer. It's kind of like a try it before you buy it type of thing, and it will get you hooked. And I want to show you just what I got off of my free clicks. Got to go back, and I will show you this real quick. This is just what I got off of the free clicks. All right. One last thing. And there we go. All right. So I made $68 off of just free clicks. And so that was basically me just doing the training. Okay. So that's a pretty good deal. And they have all sorts of free training, YouTube training, Facebook training, how to build a list, email training. They have email swipes, and it's all free. All you have to do is click on the join Traffic Dominators link in the description, okay? And it's going to invite you to our Facebook group. Come on into the group, join the group, and welcome to the group. And I really want you to get a lot of information out of it. And I would like to thank you for watching my video. And I have a bonus offer for you. I have a Facebook hack. I'll put the link in the description for that. I will talk to you guys later.